Good boy. Good boy. Good. Nicely done. Good boy, Elliot. Yay. Stretch.
Dude, are you serious?
Yes, good boy.
That is the type of statement
Good boy.
usually follows
Good.
from a dead business partner from the ghost.
Good. Nice. Good boy. Yes, good boy. Very nice. Okay. Yes, good boy. Oh, he's slippery. He's slippery.
Do you think that someone fresh out of high school that didn't get a diploma, they don't really have any basic skills, do you think that they deserve $15? I'm asking about a moral judgment here.
Good try. Yes, good boy. Can you hold it? Good boy. That's hard work. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Oopsie. You slipped. Yay, that's better. Good boy. Can you keep it up there? Yay, that's good working. Good man. Oh, I got your bum again. Let me get off it. Okay, last chance. Last chance, buddy. I know, what have I got? Good. Good boy. Good boy. Stretch. Nice. Good boy. Okay. Yay. Good man. You can get off it now.